it's an obvious thing for most care providers, this, but recruitment is always going to be the major issue. In this country, we have an aging demographic and fewer people to look after those older people as time goes by. So the important thing when you have your own care business is to be able to attract people to work as care workers in your business. We take great pride in how we conduct our recruitment process. It's super efficient. We use lots of different areas of technology to automate the process, send automatic reminders to candidates to be a care specialist with us, which makes it way more responsive. So if somebody's looking to join as a care specialist with us on a Saturday afternoon, everything will be sent to them automatically. You don't have to worry about waiting till Monday, which is a fantastic thing that we have at the moment for our recruitment. On top of that, retention is a big thing. At Bridgewater Home Care, we're quite lucky, really, that we have an amazing retention rate compared to the industry in particular. There are a number of things that help with that retention, not just the employee support and the nice to have things that we give to employees like pizza day and coffee and cake day and that kind of thing, but the day-to-day working conditions of the care specialists and how they are able to provide the care that they want to day to day. And a part of enabling our care specialists to be as effective as possible is having a system that supports that for them. With the CareLine app, we find that the care specialists enjoy using the app. They like filling it in. It's nice and easy. It's more than just ticking boxes, as some systems can be. It makes it easy for people to put notes into the system, so much so that you can use your voice as well to put notes into the system. All that kind of stuff really helps with our retention, and also helps us to attract the care specialists as well, because there are still, believe it or not, some care providers using paper, and I think that most care workers in the industry would prefer to be using an app on the phone to simply zap in and zap out of visits and type in notes on their mobile phone than having to complete a timesheet and go into the office and submit that for payroll. Seems like ancient history, that kind of practice now. So CareLineLive has really facilitated our ability to both manage the business, but also enable the care specialists to be efficient when they're out working. They're not spending 5-10 minutes on paperwork when they're in the client's homes. It's a very simple process. They are briefed about the client through the app prior to their visit, and then they can log in and log out really simply and complete notes in a really quick and efficient manner, which means at the end of the day that the care specialist is able to spend more time with the person receiving the care, which is an important added value element of our service. And that's what I would say, really. The big thing for us is the retention of the care specialists. We've been really successful in that. It's down to many things, but the CareLineLive system has certainly helped. One thing that we like about the CareLineLive system, in addition to what I've mentioned, is the dashboard is really useful when it comes to celebrating birthdays and special occasions and things like that. Important messages are on the dashboard on the system, so everybody gets to see those every day. You can see when birthdays are coming up for both clients and care specialists, and celebrate everything, really. And that's a key to being happy in this industry. Celebrate everything and all the great work that people do.